Uh, I've been blessed na may mga tao katulad ni Father Albert na lagi nagpapaalala sa akin. Kung mayayabang, ganyan mo. Let me tell you my life now. My life is miserable. My graduating boy yesterday lost all of his honors academics. Nawala siya sa honors. It felt so bad kasi he worked so hard for it. He almost lost in general excellence. He knew it completely. He lost it. Isang boy ko used to have a school year end, year end get together, was not allowed by the parent of his classmate to join. My wife needs counseling now. I could have easily be quick. But easily feel hatred. But in public, I even would avoid speaking about people who's doing this to me. And Father, if that's not humility, I do not know what humility is. Nakakala ko, sinisira na. At naman na yung mga ginawa, kasalanan mo dati, ilabas na. Alam mo, ano ba dapat siya tayo? Hindi ko alam kung ano pang kailangan kong gawin. Once in a while, I have to smile when people smile at me. Once in a while, I have to shake their hands when they shake my hand. Kung yan ay kayabangan na, hindi naman po ako pwedeng magbuhay sa galit. If I feel my heart with anger, I could have easily done so. My body is being broken. Wala akong trabaho. Laki na ang nakaremo ngayon. So, my spirit, my name is being broken. Ano lang pala tayo kung lang hindi pa kilala sa sila. Ayoko masira na yun. I do not look for crowds, Mother. I never wished for a crowd. In fact, I'm afraid of a crowd because I'm not prepared to be in a crowd. At yung mga tao, Mother, na nagsasabing yung mayabang na ako, sana ilagay nila sarili nila sa kalagayan ko. Napaka-naging close po itong daladala ko ngayon. And I don't want to be ano ba sabi ko naman. Thanks so much po.